Welcome to Kishore's NEET Padasala. In this video lecture, we will see the concept of tension in blocks. This is the first case we are going to see. See that the block length is L and there is a force F acting on it. Its mass is M. Find the tension at xth position. So what is the tension at this point of the block they are asking. This is the distance x. There is a easy method. Just you follow this trick. Tension at x is equal to force into this distance. Force into this distance. Force into x divided by whole length. Okay. Simple method. Tension at x is equal to force into the other side distance, that is x divided by whole length L. Okay, now let us see the second case. Okay, what is the tension at x? This position they are asking. So tension at x is equal to force into the other side, this distance. What is the length of this side? The whole length is L and this is x, so L minus x is the other side's. This side length is L minus x, so force into L minus x divided by whole length L. So the simple method you want to follow, simple trick, easily you can follow this thing. Okay, suppose in this case, suppose a case they are giving with two forces and they are asking the tension at xth position of the block. Then simple thing, tension at x is equal to, let us assume the first thing, a force F1 into this distance x divided by whole length L plus force F2 into the other side's length, that is L minus x divided by whole length L. This is the tension at xth position. Okay, now let us see a numerical based on this concept. See, they are asking tension at middle of the block. So if the whole length is 10 cm, the middle of the block, it is at a distance of 5 cm from each ends. What is the tension at middle of the block? Tension at x is equal to force into the other side length divided by whole length L. Force is 40 Newton into the other side length, that is from the middle, from this side to this side, the length is 5 cm. So 5 cm, so I'm converting it into meter, divided by the whole length is 10 cm. This also I'm converting it into meter. This and this get cancelled. 5 to 20 Newton. So tension at middle of the block is 20 Newton. I hope you like this lecture. If you like this lecture, please subscribe Kishore's NEET Padasala. Thank you.